Retail is all about efficiency. Every second matters. By putting ServiceNow to work, we were able to automate and resync processes like never before. For us, the magic happens at the shelf, and our people in the stores, they bring our brand to life for all of our customers. Today, we have evolved into a European powerhouse. Operating at that scale comes with its own challenges.
Previously, when there was an issue, the colleagues in our stores had to call a hotline to resolve the problem with headquarters. We needed to find a better way to support our teams.
In the past, the average resolution time was 9 minutes. Now, we were able to bring that down below 5 seconds.
The technology behind this zero-touch mechanism is agentic AI.
Within 2 weeks, we have been able to uplift the AI agent-based routing quality to more than 96%, to already save 1,500 hours of work. ServiceNow became the digital backbone. While competitors are still experimenting, Rossmann is already doing it.
This is retail reimagined.